We don't need to find out the meanings of those words, and we can go through the keywords to find out the answers. කීවර්ඩ් එකක් තෝරගෙන අපිට උත්තර හොයන්න යන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ දීලා තියෙන ක්වෙස්චන් එකේ තියෙන සමහර වචන අපේ ආන්සර් එකට මැච් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. That's how we can do this question very easily. අන්න එහෙම මේ ප්‍රශ්න අපි ඉස්සල්ලාම තාම පහසුවෙන් කරන්නේ. හරිද? දැන් මේ දවල් අපේ හිටපු ළමයින්ට එච්චර ප්‍රශ්නයක් එන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද එයාලා මේ ප්‍රශ්න කරලාම ගොඩක් දැන් practice කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Practicing is very good no. First of all, I would like to invite someone to read this question. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ කරන්න මම ඉන්වයිට් කරනවා කාට හරි. Who like to read this question? කවුද ප්‍රශ්නේ කියන්න කැමති ළමයි ඔයාලා? බලමු කවුද කියලා. Who going to read this question? කවුද මේ question එක කියන්න කැමති? කියන්න බලන්න. Who loves to read this question? මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ කියන්න කවුද කැමති ළමයි? කියන්න බලන්න. Who loves to read this question? I don't like to name you. මම නම් කරන්න කැමති නැහැ. කියන්න බලන්න who like to read this question? Hashini? Yes, Hashini. Hashini, would you like to read the question? Hashini question එක කියන්න බලන්න. Yes, Hashini. නැද්ද? හිමාෂා දේවින්දි. හිමාෂා කියවන question එක.
Okay, sir. Read the following description and match with the profession. The first one is done for you. Scientist who studies plan life and organize have a keen interest in
evaluating
numerous
aspects
plant life.
They design residential
and commercial structures. They must also think about a
building style, safety and sustainability.
They study
basic principles of
the life,
such as
relationship, development,
anatomy, and functions.
Their responsibility is pursue and safeguard the materials that are
the evidence of
past activity over the years. Their study numbers, shape and
quantity,
among other things.
Or direct solutions problems
problem in
various fields.
various fields. They represent
Clients in
client in
criminal and
crime, criminal and
other legal
other legal
proceedings and
proceedings and
or advice
among advice
clients
screen on
legal
eager
transactions.
transaction.
Answers historians, botanists, mathematicians,
biologists,
lawyers, architects. Your reading is very poor, Imasha. Reading negara madi mundatama. It's low it is at low. You have to read your textbook very well. Textbook care recommend under kiyan. Otherwise, you won't be able to finish the paper well. Paper already karagana very way. Okay, right. Lama yara kaulare group pe kata pulona link ke share karanda class er join වෙන්න කියලා. Class එකට link එක share කරන්න අලුත් ළමයිට එන්න. Right. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන answer questions වලින් අපි බලමු කොහොමද keywords හොයාගන්නේ කියලා. First one, science is who studies plant life. අපම් ඉඩ ගන්න මෙන්න මේවට. Plant life තියෙනවා and organisms තියෙනවා. Interesting evaluation numerous aspects of plant life. Plant life එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි කියන ශාක ගැන ඒ කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය පැල ගැන වගේ තමයි දේවල් තියෙන්නේ. What's the answer ළමයි? මොකක්ද උත්තරේ එහෙනම්? කියන්න බලන්න මට.
B.
Answer is D the B the.
B.
B. Answer is B. Botanist. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් උද්භිද විද්‍යාව ගැන සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ කතා කරනකොට පැල ගැන වගේ තමයි අපි කතා කරන්නේ. ඔන්න B. Then we remove B. Right. Next. They design residential and residential and commercial structures. Building style, safety and sustainability. තිරසාරභාවය, පරිස්සම, buildings. ඒ කියන්නේ ගොඩනැගිලි. What's the answer, ළමයි? What is the answer? It should be a part of building. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ගොඩනැගිලි ශාස්ත්‍රයේ කොටසක්. ඒ කියන්නේ යම්කිසි කොටසක උරුමකමක් කියන කියන්නේ ඒ හදන පාත් එකට ඒ plan එකට කවුද? What's the answer, ළමයි?
F.
Architect. ගෘහ නිර්මාණ ශිල්පියෙක්. Architect කෙනෙක්. Next. දැන් අපි හැම එකේම උත්තර හොයන්නේ නැහැ. අර highlight කරලා තියෙන words වලින් විතරයි අපි උත්තරේ හොයාගත්තේ. It's very easy. They study basic principles of plant life on plant and animal life such as origin, relationship, development, anatomy and functions. ඔන්න තියෙනවා මේක අරට එහා සත්තුන්ට ශාකයන්ට වගේම සත්තුන්ටත් ඔන්න එයා ගැන බලනවා. සංවර්ධනයේ යාලගේ තියෙන සමැදියාව මොකද්ද කියලා. What is the answer? Answer is D. Answer is D. Biologists. Because we can get origin, anatomy, plant life on plant life figure. Their responsibility is to gather, preserve and safeguard the materials, evidence of past activities. වෙන මොකුත් ඕනේ past කියන එකෙම ගත්ත හැකි. What is the answer, ළමයි? Past කියන එකෙම ගත්ත හැකි. Answer is A. Historians. ඉතිහාසයට. Historians. Remove these kind of answers. මේ උත්තර අයින් කරන්න. Next. They study number කිව්වම දන්නවද ළමයි ඔයාලා? What's the answer then? Number, shape, quantity among other things. What's the answer? See, mathematicians know. ගණිතඥයෝ. It's very easy. Next one. They represent clients in criminal and other legal. Legal කියද්දිම තේරෙනවනේ ඔයාලට. අපරාධ සහ නීතිමය. What is the answer? Lawyers. It means E. Means E. That's how the way of doing these questions very successfully. මේ ප්‍රශ්නය ඉතාම සාර්ථක ලෙස කරගන්න තියෙන එකම දේ තමයි ඔය විදිය. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා keywords ටික find out කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ keywords ටික හොයාගන්න මුලින්ම. Keywords ටික හොයාගෙන then just go through the keywords. Keywords ඔස්සේ ගිහින් උත්තර හොයාගන්න. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. අපි ඊළඟ එකට යමු. ඊළඟට යමු අපි. Read this question by Samit. Yes, Samit, read the question.
Okay, sir. Study the correct and fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. Selecting the correct group of the word from the box. First one is time for you. Names of the friends.
Ambitions is Ravi's parents.
Ravi's friends. Names of the friends. Ram, Naveen, Lojan, Mithulan, Sabuja, John.
Ambitions.
Ambition.
Linguist.
Doctor. Scientist, cricketer, pilot, singer. Saboja has to join if Lojan must read Ram space. Ram should study space. Naveen should learn space. Mithula has to be space. John should space. The main subject of the videos stream more about the invention and the discoveries, language and the patterns and sounds in the cricket game. Learn and practice music and listen teaching center.
Right, good. Okay, then here you have good clues. එක clue එකක් තියෙනවා. Ram මොනවටද කැමති? Naveen මොනවටද කැමති? Lojan මොනවටද කැමති? Mithulan මොනවටද කැමති? Subodhan මොනවටද කැමති? John මොනවටද කැමති කියලා. Okay. Then we can go through the clues. ඒ clues ඔස්සේ අපිට යන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ විදියට. Then බලමු first one. Subodhan has to join F. F means දැන් අපි යන Subodhan එකකට. උඩින් යන සුබෝධන එක බලන්න මොකක්ද කියලා. සුබෝධන කැමති පයිලට් කෙනෙක් වෙන්නනේ. The ambitions of Rice fathers වෙනනේ ඊස් එක වැරදි දාලා තියෙනවා. සුබෝධන pilot. සුබෝධන කැමති පයිලට් කෙනෙක් වෙන්න. එහෙනම් මෙතන ආන්සර් එක ගන්න වෙන්නේ ළමයි F an aviation training center. Navy training center එකකට දාන්න පුළුවන් අපිට ඔන්න. පුහුණු කරන ආයතනයකට දානවා. F. Yeah. Let's go to next one. Lojan must read. Lojan. බලමු Lojan මොනවද කරන්න කියලා. Lojan scientist. Lojan කියන්නේ scientist කෙනෙක් වෙන්න. Then what's the answer? මෙතන තියෙනවා එක the main subject of biosystem. What's the answer? බලමු තව එකක් අපි. Doctors තියෙනවනේ මේකේ. More about invention and discoveries. Language patterns and sounds in the cricket team. Learn and practice music. What's the answer? මොකක්ද උත්තරේ වෙලා කියන විදිහට කියන්න බලන්න මට. මේකේ answer දෙකක් කියලා ගන්න. Biosystem එකක් තියෙනවා. More about inventions and discoveries තියෙනවා. What's the answer for the second one? Lojan must read. Lojan ගේ idea එක තියෙන යට scientist කෙනෙක් වෙන්නනේ. Then he have to find out more about what's that? Invention and discoveries. That's the answer. Invention and discoveries. It means answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. And remove it. We took them and we took them. Next. Ram should study. Ram means linguist. Again, Bhasha mein hai kiya aapne. Bhasha mein danumat tir kenek kent. Who has got that kind of Ram should study language patterns and sounds. No? Language patterns and sound. It means answer is C. Right. Next one. I'll remove it. Next one. Naveen should learn. Naveen igana ganna monawada. Naveen balamu. Doctor ne. It means no. The main subject of bio stream. Bio करने की प्रधान बात सामान्य इगना ganna. विषयान टिकने. Answers hemamu daanna. Next one. Mithulan has to be Mithulan. Mithulan like to play cricket. Would like to play cricket. Then you have to play in cricket team. It means D. Answer is D. Answer is D. That's the answer. Next one. John should singer. Singer means learn and practice music. Music ke debita gana pulang keyword de gon. E. Answer is E. That's how we can get through clues. Apita teva gyara keywords aling onna idhira gana pulang. Okay, who has got all correct? Amoge marida. Lakun tatte gano there. B C A D E. How about you, marks lamai? Kond lakun tatte? All correct. Very good. And we go to the next one and read this question by Sanjana. Read this question.
Okay, sir. Complete the sentence by putting the words within brackets in the right order. The first one is done for you. The ambition is to be a musician. 2. I have already space. I start learning music space. I can play a violin space. I think music is a space. My music teacher tells me to space.
First one in brackets following K and course started. Second one is
musician. B2. Second following course start. 3. When young was I. 4 and 2 a guitar. 5 way good relax. Or 2 6 with music my continue.
Oh, it's very easy one. Okay, you have to find out the correct order. One word order again. That's the word order. I always saying. Word order. It means the order form again. Subject, take a verb, take a complementary, that kind of sentence. Okay. I have already. What's the answer? Am I? Can I have already means mama danatat mevana bitat. You have to find out the verb. I have already started following a course. I have already started following a course. That's the answer. Following a course. Following a course. Verb back in already in past, it means present perfect. The next one, I started learning music when I was young. When I was young. Bala Khaledi. Oh, music patanga. When I was young. Next. I can play a violin. I can play a violin. A වගේම guitar එකක්. And එකක් තියෙනවානේ. And a guitar too කියලා දානවා අපි. ඒ වගේම guitar එකකුත් කියලා කියනවා. And a guitar too. Next. I think music is a good relax too. It means is a way. මාවතකි way. It means good way. Adjective එකක්. Good way to relax. Good way to relax. Good way to relax. Good way to relax. Then next one, my music teacher tells me to. To means you have to find out the verb. To king even a lot of verb background on. But to continue, one of the continue can continue with my music. That's how the answers are. Okay, now tell me about your marks. How about your marks? Tell me about your marks. Ashini, Kavija, all are correct. Very good. Yeah, good. Come Hari. Very good. Don't miss anything, huh? Kisme deyak miss karanne pa. Okay. Next one. Next one, Balamu api. Read this question by Kavija. Kavija, read this question.
Okay, sir. Read the following telegrams and match them with the situations. Write the correct letter in the appropriate box. One has been done for you. A. Congratulations, I am really proud of you. B. Very ill, unable to meet you as planned. C. We are all thinking of you. Good luck. D. Sorry to hear about your father. Hopes he's a lot better now. E. Look forward to see you this holiday. If try not to worry, you can do better than others.
Right. Answers. It means clues. Okay, koi vela avadu.
To a friend whose father is in hospital. To a friend who is visiting you. A friend who had passed an examination. To a friend who is going to an interview. To a friend who is playing a cricket match. To a friend cancelling an appointment.
Okay. First clue, you have to match the answers. Okay. Here is also you have to find out the and go through. It means keywords. Keywords thorayan. Congratulations. I am really proud of you. Matoyagan godak saturday. What's the meaning of that? Wish karanava, greet karanava. To a friend whose father in hospital, hospital la meg yalu dehem kiyanne. To a friend who is visiting you. Oya balane yalu yukuta. Em kiyanne nahi api. Friend who had passed an examinations. Ek tikak kena balon tar juta palla hagila. To a friend who is going to an interview. Interview kude anakine kude kiyanne. To a friend who is playing cricket match. Cricket match chikada anakine kiyanne ne. Dinot ni kiyanne. To a friend child cancelling an appointment. Appointment take a cancel card kiyanne ne. The answer is then what? Number 3. It means A. A here. A. On පළවෙනි එක අපි ගත්තා. Then remove it. ඒක අයින් කරගන්න. තුට්ටක් අයින් කරතත් කමක් නැහැ. මම තර අයින් කරගන්න. Next. Very ill. Unable to meet you as planned. මට මේ ගොඩක් අසනීපයි. Meet you as planned. ඔයාට මම සැලසුම් කරපු දේ මට හම්බෙන්න හරි අපහසුයි. What's the answer? ගොඩක් අසනීපයි කියලා කියනවා. To a friend whose father in his hospital, to a friend who is visiting you, to a friend who is playing cricket match, to a friend cancelling an appointment. මොකද කියන්නේ? What's the answer? Appointment එකක් දාපු කෙනෙක්ද? යාළුවෙක්ව බලන්න යන කෙනෙක්ද? To a friend who is visiting you. What's the answer? බලමු අපි. තා බලමු අපි. We are all thinking of you. Good luck. අපි ඔයාගෙන හිතමින් ඉන්නේ. Good luck. Okay. Then ඔන්න ambition එකක් ගෙන. මොකක් හරි දෙයක් බලන් ඉන්නවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපිට පුළුවන් මේ මොකක් හරි එකක් එයා engage වෙන්න නම් මොකක් හරි දෙයක් සම්බන්ධයෙන් ඉස්සරහට කරන්න යන එකක්. බලමු මේකත් ඊළඟට. Sorry to hear about your father. Hope he is a lot better now. මට තාත්තගෙන් ඉතාලම කනගාටුයි. මං හිතන්නේ එයා දැන් ගොඩක් හොඳින් ඉන්න ඇති කියලා. What's the answer then? It means to a friend whose father in his hospital. He is in hospital. It means D. D එකට උත්තරේ ගත්තා අපි. Very easy, you know. Others are going similes. අනිත් ඒවා similes විදියට යන්නේ. Next. ඒකයි අපි තාම ඒ ගැන හොයුවේ නැත්තේ. බලමු අපි ඉස්සරහට. Answer is D. We remove D. Sorry to hear. Look forward to see you this holiday. මේ holiday එක දවස් අපි බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. Next. To a friend who is visiting you, friend has cancelling appointment. It means what? To a friend who is visiting you. යාළුවෙක්. ඔයා නිකන් බලන් ඉන්නේ යාළුවෙක් නේද? It means what? D. Sorry, E. E. E is the answer. ඔයා වෙනින් බලන් ඉන්නේ යාළුවෙක්ට ඕන කියන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාට. බලන් ඉන්නේ කියලා. That's the answer. And we remove E. Next. We are going to learn 2. Try not to worry. You can do better than others. ගණන් ගන්න එපා. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් අනිත් කටට වඩා කරන්න දෙයක්. What's the answer ළමයි? Cancelling an appointment තියෙනවානේ. It means B එකේ answer එක තියනවාද කොහෙද? B එක අපි දාලා තියෙනවානේ. B එකත් අයින් කරගමු එතකොට. ඔන්න appointment එක cancel කරන එක තියෙනවා. Next one. Try not to worry. You can do better than others. What අනිත් කටට හොඳට කරන්න පුළුවන්. What's that? So friend was going to interview cricket match. What's the answer? You can do better than others. What අනිත් කටට හොඳට කරන්න පුළුවන්. It means to a friend who is playing cricket match. Yeah. Fifth one, no? What අනිත් කටට හොඳට කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන්නේ in your playing careers. It means 5. It means E, no? F. F is the answer, no? F. And interview we are all thinking of you. Good luck. It means 4. It means C. Those are the answers. D, E, A, C, F. D, E, A, C, F. Those are the answers. Okay. How about your marks? How about your marks? Make a message for me. All are correct. All are correct. All are correct. Very good. Very good. Good. Okay. Next. Go to the next. Read this by Kavishkar. Kavishkar, read this question. Kavishkar, would you read this question? Kavishkar, question ne key one bit. Yes, Kavishkar. No. Okay. Lakshika gave one. I cannot wait. Balang in the bevela paradine. Balaki pronunciation hadan vela
Yes,
dana. Okay. Okay, Kavishkar. Okay.
Here are some entries from Shani's diary with the comments she made. Match the entries with the comments by writing the relevant letter in the space provided. The first one is done for you. Diary entries. Saturday, 2nd May, I went to see a comedy film with my parents. Sunday, 3rd May, I spilled my father's coffee in the morning. Monday, 4th May, I heard on the news that the scientists at NASA are doing experiment to send a man Mars. Tuesday, 5th May, the teacher asked me to rewrite the essay. Wednesday, 6th May, I spent the whole evening practicing netball. Thursday, 7th May, my mother was worried because I got home late today. Comments. I played really hard. It was tiring but fun. B. I browsed the internet to find more about the planet. C. It wasn't my fault. The bus broke down on the way home. D. I wish I had checked grammar and spelling in it. E. It was so funny and we had a good laugh. F. Some important papers got wet and I was very upset.
Okay. Here we have been given diary entries and comments that Shani's diary with the comments. Okay. On Shani diary ke ලියලා තියෙන comments ටිකකුයි එයාගේ දවසේ කරපු දේවල් ටිකකුයි තියෙනවා. To find out the clues. අපිට ගැලපෙන එකට උන මා match කරන්න තියෙනවා. then I have been given, we have given an answer. අපිට උත්තර දීලා තියෙනවානේ. ඒ දීලා තියෙන එක අයින් කරන්න. Remove it. E. නේ ඒක අයින් කරා. No any question now? ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ නේද? Sunday 3rd May, it means second one. I spilled my father's coffee in the morning. තාත්තගේ තේ එක හැලුණා. බලමු මොකද එන්නේ කියලා ළඟට. Monday 4th May, I heard on the news that the scientists at NASA are doing experiments in the man Mars. It means මොකක්ද ළමයි? ඔන්න අඟහරුවත මේ මිනිස්සුක් යවන්න. What's the answer? It means බලමු. I browsed the internet to find about more planet and ග්‍රහලෝකය ගැන කතාවක්. It means what? It means answer is B. B. Answer is B. Second one's answer is B. Second one's answer is B. Okay. Next one. I remove it. Next. Okay. ඔයාලගේ උත්තර දාන්න ළමයි. මම ඔයාලගේ උත්තර බලන් ඉන්නේ කවුරුත් දාන්නේ නැහැ. ඊළඟට. Monday 4th. It means what I know. ඒක එන්නේ third one, no? Right. Next one. Tuesday 5th May. The teacher asked me to write the essay. But it means what? I played really hard? No. It wasn't my fault the bus broke down? No. I wish I had checked the grammar and spelling in it. It means that. It means what's the answer, Lamai? What's the answer about the fourth one? D. On Matamagi spelling sticker check karana. Nahari no. Ilangat. Next. Wednesday 6th May. I spent the whole evening practicing netball. Mamulu Thoskalma netball practice karami. It was what? It means A. I played really hard. It was but tiring but fun. Mahan Sinok Godak Hondai Gen Therum. Asavin Karai. We remove this and we remove this. Only two have been removed. Thursday 7th May. My mother was worried because I got home late today. Mang Parakelawa. It wasn't my fault. The bus broke down. Bus on a late take a bus breakdown. That's why that's how we find out the answers. Last one, I spilled my father's coffee in the morning. It means tetai kino saman papers tigak neda. F. Answer is F. Okay, I think now you have got all your marks. Okay. How about your marks? All are correct. Let's see how about your marks. Okay, all are correct. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one. I read this by Achinta. Achinta, read this question.
Okay, sir. Take 6, match the question with the answer. When do you watch the TV news? Friends, how do you come to the school in Trincomalee? Where do you live after meal? Who do you visit on holidays? Cricket. What's your favorite game on food? What's your mother housewife?
Okay. Then we can go to the next very easily next one. No? When do you watch TV news? Well, TV What's the answer, Lamai? What's the answer then? I think after meal, no? After meal. After meal, no? It means one. Pass. Yeah. When do you watch TV news? How do you, yeah. Next. How do you come to school? School at on food, fine. It means second one, no? It means second one. Answer 7 very good. Next one. Where do you live? ඔය ජීවත් වෙන්නේ in Trincomalee. Easy no? 3. Next. Who do you visit on holidays? කවුද ඔයාගේ මේ නිමට දවසවල බලන්න යන්නේ? It means friends. No? Friends. It means 4. What's your favorite game? Favorite game එක මොනවද? Favorite game. What's the answer? Cricket. 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 It means 5, no? Right. Last one is what's your mother? අම්මා මොකද කරන්නේ කියලා යන්න ළමයි. Okay. What's your mother ගම occupation එක අහන්නේ අපි. Who is your mother means name. Okay. It means 6. And here on food නෙමෙයි ළමයි on food මෙතන on food 10 ඕන. On food. Not food on food. All are correct. All are correct. බලමු හැමෝම ඔක්කොම හරිද කියලා. All are correct. Who has got all are correct? ඔක්කොම හරි කාගේද? Very good, very good. All are correct. Good. නියමයි. Continue this. මේක දිගටම කරා යන්න ළමයි. අපි මේ section by section class මේ දවසින් දවස කතා කරමින් යන්නේ paper එකේ එන්න පුළුවන් එක එක paper එකේ එන parts. Okay. It means the number 1 එකට මොනවද එන්නේ, second එකට, third එකට. We have done today we have discussing the fourth question. අපි හතරවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ එන්නේ තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. And we are on the last page. Okay, අපි ඉන්නේ අවසාන page එකේ අද. Okay, read this by Udeshika, please. Would you read this? Yes, Udeshika. Kiwana Udeshika පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන් sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Text 8. 6 want to find suitable place to spend their holidays. Match each person's interest with the most suitable headings of the travel
brochure.
The first one is done for you. Rajan likes to explore rainforest. He loves long walks through the jungles. He is committed environmentalist. Nilu is interested in learning about ancient kingdoms of Sri Lanka. There is a lesson on them in one of the textbook. Jehan loves climbing, mountain skydiving, and many other outdoor sports. He likes to take challenges and risk. Shane draws side and loves water sports. However, he doesn't like crowds. Kasun is interested in animals and birds. He is also a keen photographer. Rizvi has always considered himself a bit of an explorer and loves visiting places with unspoiled natural beauty. A journey through historical Sri Lanka capture wildlife in its nature habitat. Peaceful sandy beach frying by palm trees. Explain nature at its best. Enjoy an adventure flight holiday.
Right, good. These kind of the clues and the some kind of interests. Okay, headings you have to match. Lamai, don't forget this. If you miss one in these questions, so I may ප්‍රශ්නවල එකක් miss කරොත් you have to find out what where ලකුණු කීයක් miss වෙනවද? It affects another one. ඔයා එකකට දාන පිළිතුර අනිත් එකට අනිවාර්යෙන් බලපානවා. It's affect very well. Okay. If you miss one thing, ඔයා එකක් miss කරොත් it affects the second one. Anit dekata meka balapana. Then you have to find, then we have to do this question very easily. Yeah, godak parisam meka karan wenawa. Okay, let's go. Fourth one දීලා තියෙන එක අයින් කරලා තියෙනවා. Nilu is interested in learning about ancient kingdoms of Sri Lanka. There is a lesson on them in her textbook. It means regarding some kind of a past activities. Okay, බලමු අපි. A journey through historic Sri Lanka, capture wildlife in historic natural habitats, peaceful sandy beaches springed by palm trees, experience nature by its best, and enjoy an adventure-filled holiday. What's the answer? It's a clue එකක් තියෙනවා මේකේ. keyword එකක් තියෙනවා. What's the keyword? Historical. Historical කියන keyword එක තියෙනවානේ. I think no more any answers. ඊට වඩා ඉතින් හොයන්න දෙයක් නැහැ මේකේ. Then what's the answer for second one is 2. 2. 2 is the answer. Okay. Right. Next. Let's go to the next. Sorry, 2 name 1, no? 1. Okay. Jehan loves climbing mountains, skydiving, and many other outdoor sports. He likes to take challenges and risk. Challenges and risk it means what kind of activity? Capture wildlife? No. Peaceful sandy beaches by fingered by palm? No. Experience nature by its best? No. Natural sambandha. Enjoy an adventure filled holiday. That's the answer. Adventure ka. Trase danavana activities again. Those kind of answers. Activity kakkon. Shane adores seaside and loves water sports. However, he doesn't like crowds. It means what? Water sports. Again, jala krida again. What's kind of that? Capture wildlife in natural habitats, peaceful sandy beaches, fingered palm trees. Experience nature by its best. No, I think beach is Ganathina. It means what? Number 3. On number 3. Next. Those are the answers. Next. Kasun is interested in animal and birds. Animals and birds. On. Also keen photographer. And we can use 5th one, no? 5th one, no? No, it means 2, ne? Capture wildlife in its natural habitats. Yeah, it means 2. Second one. Answer is, I think, 2. 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Natural habitats, no capture karagan. Camera na capture. Risvi has always been photographer capture in your cameras also have that noun. Capture karaganno, grahane karaganno. Risvi has always considered himself a bit of an explorer and loves visiting places with unusual natural beauty. Vinasha nokaran lada එයාටම කියනවා මමට ගවේෂකෙක් කියලා. What's that? Enjoy an adventure filled holiday. Sorry. Experience nature in as its beds. සබාදාම සම්පූර්ණයෙන් විඳ ගන්නට. Those are the answers. And 16325. 16325 the answers. And I would like to ask about your marks. ලකුණු තත්ත්වය කොහොමද ළමයි? Kenba? All are correct answers. Very good. Very good. You got all 1. Very good. Always try to do this. මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් කරන් try කරන්න. Because they need very much in our examinations. Because if you cannot do these questions very well and properly in your examinations, you will lose many marks at the test. Okay, what test is miss. And we have done so far first questions, second questions, third questions, and fourth questions today. And the other day on Wednesday we are going to do 5th question. Api badada karana past in prashne. Okay, and then until then we go to the next one. Api etakang ilangකට යමු. Okay. Read this by Lasit. Okay, Lasit, read this. Lasit, read this.
Read the following dialogue. Select the missing utterance from box and fill in the blanks. The first one is done for you. Thank you. I was looking for you everywhere. Where shall we meet? Would you like to join me? Shall we watch the afternoon movie? I will look after you. Keshan, hey, where were you all this time? Sachin, space. Keshan, I was thinking of something to do tomorrow. Sachin, space. Keshan, that's good idea. What's the movie? Sachin, there's half blueprints at Galaxy Space. Keshan, yes, of course. Space. Sachin, let's meet at bus stand at 2 p.m. Keshan, alright, I'm little short of money these days. Sachin, don't worry. Space. Keshan, space. I will buy something for you drink.
Okay. Now there is some kind of little dialogue here between two brains. Okay. And then we have go to the answers. Okay. Balumapi. Keshan Kino. Hey, where were you all this time? Why the tikilanon? Answer kak den dona. I was thinking of something to do tomorrow. Hitamnori karanda piyon belo. Okay. That's good idea. What's the movie? It means movie ka balanda question එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? Then second one for what's the answer? බලමු අපි. I was looking for you. Everywhere. Where shall we meet? Would you like to join me? Shall we watch the afternoon movie? I will look after you. Okay. Shall we watch the afternoon movie? Then I think second one's answer is shall we watch the afternoon movie? What do you say? What is your answer? මොකද ඔයාලගේ උත්තරේ? බලමු ඔයාලගේ උත්තර මොනවද කියලා. Send me your answers. ඔයාලගේ උත්තරේ එවන්න. ඔයාලගේ answers එවන්න ළමයි. Send me your answers. Send me your answers. ඔයාලගේ උත්තර එවන්න බලන්න මට. Hurry up. No one. තාම කවුරුත් නැහැ. Send me your answer. ඔයාලගේ උත්තර එවන්න. Send me your answers. No one. කාටවත් උත්තරයක් දෙන්න බැරිද? ලක්ෂිකා? ලක්ෂිකා, where is your answer? Hashin? Hashini? Sayuri? Where is your answer? ඔයාලගේ උත්තරේ එවන්න ළමයි ගන්න එක. Didn't you do this? මේක කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා? මේක කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා දැන්? What's the answer? Okay, didn't you do this? මේක කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා කියන්නකෝ මම වෙලාවක් දෙන්න ඔයාලට. මේක කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා? කියන්න බෑ මේක කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා? මම වෙලාවක් දෙන්නම් කරන්න ඕනද දැන්? විනාඩි 5ක් විතර දෙන්නම්. What do you think? I'll give you some time. Okay, කරන්න බලන්න එන මිනිත්තු 5ක් දෙන්නම් මම. හොයන්න බලන්න උත්තර ටික. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. මිනිත්තු 5ක් දෙන්නම් කරන්න බලන්න. පල්ලෙහාකට කරන්න. 9 and 10 දෙකම කරන්න. 9 10 දෙකම කරන්න. I'll give you 10 minutes. මම මිනිත්තු 10ක් විතර දෙන්නම්. I'll give you 10 minutes and do 9 and 10. 9 10 දෙකම කරන්න බලන්න. Ten minutes, huh? කලින් ඉවර නම් කියන්න. 5 minutes දෙන්න මන් තව විනාඩි 5ක් දෙන්න. If you finish, make a message for me ළමයි. ඉවර නම් මට okay කියලා message එකක් දාන්න ළමයි. Make a message okay කියලා message එකක් දාන්න. If you have done both දෙකම ඉවර නම් මට message එකක් දාන්න okay කියලා. If you have done, make a message. I am finished. ඉවර නම් finished කියලා message එකක් දාන්න. Okay sir කියලා message එකක් දාන්න. ලක්ෂිකා finish. අනිත් කට්ටියට message එකක් දාන්න ඉවර නම්. සංජනා okay. පවිෂ්ක okay. Tavisha okay. Udeshika, okay. Himasha, okay. What about boys? Tama ek boy කෙනෙක් message එකක් දැම්මේ නැහැ. කවිෂ්ක ඉන්නවනේ. Right, okay. Let's move the answers. අපි යමු උත්තරවලට. Okay. Right බලමු. Then first one in 9th one නොදරහන් ඉන්න. මට දැන් උත්තරේ එවන්න ඉවර නම්. Hey, where were you all this time? I was thinking of something to do tomorrow. That's good idea. What's the movie? It means he's been asked to go somewhere. එයාගෙන් අහනවා movie එකක් බලන්න යන්න. Then what's the answer ළමයි? What's the answer then? කියන්න බලන්න මට උත්තරේ මොකද්ද කියලා එහෙනම්. I think මං හිතන්නේ where would you like to, shall we watch the afternoon movie? Okay. Shall we watch the afternoon movie? 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 The afternoon movie. අපි afternoon movie එක බලමුද කියලා කියනවා. Okay. Next one. That's good idea. What's the movie? There's Half-Blood Prince at Galaxy. ඔයා කැමති මාත් එක්ක join වෙන්න. What's the answer ළමයි? එහෙමනේ අහන්නේ එතකොට. Shall we watch the afternoon movie තිබ්බා? What's the answer? Would you like to join me? No? Would you like to join me? නේද? Would you like to join me? Would you like to join me? ඔයා මාත් එක්ක ඒකට යන්න කැමති කියලා අහනවා. Would you like to join me? ඔයා මාත් එක්ක යන්න කැමතිද ඒකට? ඔන්න would you like to join me? ඔයා මාත් එක්ක ඒකට එනවද යන්න? Next. Yes, of course. ඔන්න answer එක තියෙනවා. Let's meet at the bus stand 2 p.m. කොහෙන්ද හම්බ වෙන්නේ නේ? කොහෙන්ද හම්බ වෙන්නේ කියලා කොහොමද? Where shall we meet? It means where shall we meet? කොහෙද අපි හම්බ වෙන්නේ? Where shall we meet? On answers වලින් තමයි ළමයි dialogue එකකදී ගන්නෙ. The answer below the blank we can use the clue to get the answer. Right. I remove it. Where shall we meet? Next one. All right. I am little short of money these days. මං ගන්න මෙලස් ටිකක් සල්ලි ටිකක් නැහැ. Don't worry. මං බලා ගන්නම් ඒවා. What's the answer? I'll look after you. මං ඒක බලා ගන්නම්. I'll look after you. මං ඒක බලා ගන්නම්. මං ඔය බලා ගන්නම්. I'll look after you. මං බලා ගන්නම් ඒක. Next one. The last one. කියන බලන්න මොකද්ද කියලා නම් අවසාන එක. I'll buy something to drink. එයාට greet කරනවා මොකද්ද? Thank you. මං එනම් බොන්න මොනවා හරි ගන්නම්. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And then the first one is what? I was looking for you everywhere. What's the answer for first one? I was looking for you everywhere. Don't forget to do this method මේ method එක කරන්න miss කරන්න එපා question එකේදී මොකද just remember if you missed one word එකක් වැරදුනොත් දෙකක් වරදිනවා it means the answer you take for the first some kind of a question is affects for the another one අනිත් එකට බලපානවා therefore you have to do these questions very it means calm and quietly එපොඩ ඉවසීමෙන් කරන්න if you missed one you got missed all the marks සමහරකට ඔක්කොම ලොකු නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන් okay let's go for the last one of today's question paper අද අපි කරන එකේ අවසානම question එක බලමු read this question by yes ඒකනායක would you read ඒකනායක කියවන්න පුළුවන්ද ඒකනායක would you read yes ඒකනායක what about you okay diniti read this last question diniti read the question Keshanika, would you read the question? Yes, Keshanika. Okay, Kanayaka. Keshanika, please read the question. Keshanika, read the question. Yes, save me. Save me knee. Save me knee.
Yeah.
Read the question.
Okay, sir.
Read the question.
Match the question in A with the answers in B. Write the correct letter in the space provided. The first one is done for you. Column A. Will you buy me that frock? Do you like my new shirt? Where's the post office, please? Do you like the new movie? Did you call me? It's going to rain. Do you need an umbrella? Oh, I haven't been to cinema for a long time. Sorry, I haven't got much money. It's very expensive. Oh, that's lovely. It's really suits you. Yes, could you come here for a moment? No, I have got one. It's over there next to the cinema.
Very good. And questions and answers तीन में देना. Okay. Read them very well. अंदर කියවන්න. Will you buy me that frock? ඔයා මට ඒක අරන් දෙනවද? Do you like my new shirt? Right, okay. Let's go the first one. Will you buy me that frock? ඔයා මට ඒක අරන් දෙනවද? Frock එක ගවුම? Oh, I haven't been to cinema. Cinema එකක් ගැන නෙමෙයි. Sorry, I haven't got much money. මං එච්චර සල්ලි නැහැ. චුට්ට බලමු පල්ලෙහාට පොඩ්ඩක්. ඒක මැච් වෙනවා වගේ. Oh, that's lovely. It really suits you. Oh, that's lovely. It really suits you. ඒක ලස්සනයි. ඒකට ගැලපෙනවා. නමුත් question එකක් නේ අහන්නේ. Yes, could you come here for a moment? ටිකකට එනවද? No, we cannot get that. No, I have got one. නෑ මං ගා එකක් තියෙනවා. No. It's over there next to cinema. What's the answer then? Answer is lamai B. Answer is B. Sorry, I haven't got much money. එච්චර නම් මං ගාව සල්ලි නෑ ඒක ගොඩක් මිල අධිකයි කියන තේරුම. ඔන්න B. Answer B එක ගත්තා and remove it. After taking that, remove it. Next one. Where's the post office place? Post office එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? You have to find out the answer of directions. What's the answer? It's over there next to the cinema, no? And the cinema එක ළඟට. It means what? Answer is F. Answer is F. F එක. F. F. Next one. Remove it. ඒකත් අයින් කරන්න. Do you like the new movie? ඔයාලුත් movie එකට කැමතිද? Movie එකට කැමතිද? What's the answer? Oh, I haven't been to cinema for a long time. What's the answer? Do you like the new movie? Oh, I haven't been to cinema for a long time. Oh, that's really lovely. It's no, yeah. It means A. Movie එකක් ගැන තියෙන theater එකක් cinema එකක් ගැන කතා කරනවානේ. It means A. Then remove that answer. I said you to read this very well. ළමයි එකයි හොඳට කියවන්න කියමේවා. Right. Next one. Did you call me? ඔයා මට කතා කරාද? Yes or no? Yes. Could you come here for a moment? ඔය ටිකකට පොඩ්ඩක් මේ පැත්තට එනවද? And that's the answer for D. Fourth one. Okay. Yeah. Next one. It's going to rain. වහින්න යන්නේ. වහින්න යන්නේ. Do you need an umbrella? ඔයාට කුඩයක් ඕනෑද? මම ඔන්න ආන්සර් එක මාරු කරා කලින් එක. ඒක පළලට දාලා තිබ්බේ. No, I have got one. It means E, no? E. නෑ මට එකක් තියෙනවා. නෑ මට කුඩයක් තියෙනවා. It means E. No, E. No, I have got one. නෑ මට එකක් තියෙනවා. Right. Then last one. Do you like my new shirt? What's the answer? ළමයා මම shirt එකට කැමතිද? Oh, that's lovely. It really suits you. It means what? What's the answer? C. Those are the answers and we can write them down. And answers are B, C, F, A, D, C. Those are the answers. Okay. Right. We have got all are correct. ඔක්කොම හරි කාගේද? All are correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Have someone in this class today all the questions are correct? ඔක්කොම ප්‍රශ්න හරි කවුරුත් ඉන්නවද? දීලා තියෙන ඔක්කොම ප්‍රශ්න හරි කවුරුත් ඉන්නවද? නම කියන්න බෑන I කියලා message එකක් දාන්න බෑ. All the questions are okay. ඔක්කොම ප්‍රශ්න හරියට දීලා තියෙන questions 10ම හරි කට්ටිය. These kind of 10 questions are given to you. ඔයාට මෙන්න මේ one of the questions නා okay කීප දෙනෙක් ඉන්න ඔක්කොම හරි කට්ටිය. ලක්ෂිකා සංජනා ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. Okay, very good. මෙන්න මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න කාණ්ඩ තමයි ළමයි ඔයාලට හම්බෙන්නේ exam එකේදී. එක්ක මේ වගේ letter එකක් ලියන්න තියෙන එකක්, otherwise in the fill in the blank එකක් and keep in the numbers and අපිට එකක් මිස් වුණාද ළමයි? Yeah, we missed one, no? අපිට එකක් මිස් වෙලා තියෙනවා ළමයි. 7th one. නේද? 7th one අපිට මිස් වෙලා තියෙනවා ඔන්න. Okay. We'll do it. අපි එකක් කරමු. කරන්න බලන්න ඒකත් යනවා ඔයාලා. Test 7. ඔයාලා කරේ නැද්ද ඒක? Didn't you do it? කරේ නැද්ද ඔයාලා? Didn't you do it? කරේ නැද්ද ළමයි ඒක? මම වෙලාව දෙන්නම් ඒකට කමෙන්ට් පහක්. කරාද ඒක? Didn't you do it? කරේ නැද්ද? Others, didn't you do it? අනිත් කට්ටිය කරේ නැද්ද ඒක කියන්න මට. කරාද නැද්ද කියලාත් මට කියන්න. Didn't you do it? කරේ නැද්ද ළමයි question එක මම වෙලාව දෙන්න අහන්නේ. Didn't you do it? කරාද නැද්ද? Okay. කරපු කට්ටිය ඉන්න බලමු අපි එනවා. Read this question by Sayuri. Sayuri, read the question. Sayuri, read the question. Sayuri, read the question.
Sir, take 7 there.
Oh, great. Test 7.
Match the
Extracts.
extracts with the
Heading.
headings. Write the correct letter in the box provided. The first is done for you.
Priority
Priority bus lands to
is
traffic
condition.
condition. The greatest left arm
spinner
spinner is
eyeing.
eyeing the
ඔහොම බෑ. It's slow, very slow නේ. You are in grade 11 no. දට කියවන්න ඕන. ටිකක් ඇක්ටිව් කියවන්න ඕන. දැන් ඔක අහන් ඉන්නකොට නිින්ද යනවා අනිත් එක්කනට. සයුරි read very fast. හොඳට කියවන්න. Okay, හරියට කියන්න බලන්න. The greatest left arm spinner. කියන්න බලන්න. The greatest
greatest
මාත් එක්ක
left
කියවන්න.
arm spinner
මාත් එක්ක කියවන්න. Okay, read with me. The greatest left arm spinner is eyeing the 400 wickets. කියන්න.
The greatest left arm spinner is
eyeing
eyeing the 400 wicket marks before
he quits
he quits from the cricket.
thunder shower
should be
expected at any time
in different parts of the island.
British Council IELTS
scholarship for
higher education
house
of Triposha introduces Suposha.
land with the
extent
of 10
purchase
10%.
sale. Headings තියෙනවා මොනවද?
food and nutrients, educational
opportunities,
land for sale,
educational opportunities කියවන්න. මං කියවට පස්සේ මිස් කරා ඒක. opportunities,
educational opportunities, land for sale, record breaker, weather
forecast. Okay, read it very well. හොඳට කියවන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන. Right. Priority has bus lane to ease traffic congestion. What's the answer, Lamai? Food and nutrition, educational opportunities, land for sale, record breaker, weather forecast. One is missing. එකක් අඩුයි. නේද? ඒක තියන්න ඕම. The greatest left arm spinner is eyeing the 400 wickets mark before he squares from the cricket. It means about the record. නේද? What's the answer then? අපිට answer එක දාන්න පුළුවන් ඒකට. It means D. Answer is D. Next. Thunder shower could be expected at any times in different parts of the island. ඔය දන්නවා මේක නා. මේක ITN එකේ නැත්තම් සමහර channel වල English වලින් එනවා. What's that? Weather forecast. It means E. Weather forecast. E. ගන්න උත්තර අයින් කරන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්. And read the question. Write the correct letter එකද sentence එකද word එකද. Read it very well. ගත්ත උත්තර අයින් කරගන්න ඉස්සරලා. Weather forecast හරි. Record breaker. Next. British Council IELTS scholarships for higher education. It means what? Education කියලා තියෙන clue එකම B. First, at the beginning of the today's class, I said you these questions we can do by matching the keywords. On a keyword, තමයි education තියෙන්නේ. Next one. House of Triposha introduced Suposha. It means some kind of food and nutrition. No. Food and nutrition. No. It means what? A. A is the answer. A. Next one. Land with the extent per sale on a land එකක්. Land කියලාම තියෙනවා it means C. Those are the answers of today's last one's question paper. Okay. ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට අපිට ලකුණු ටික ගන්න පුළුවන්. And how about you marks ළමයි? කොහොමද ලකුණු තත්ත්වය? Who has got all correct of that question? මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ ඔක්කොම හරි? Okay. ඔන්න කීප දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. Okay. Then that's how we did these questions. First of all, read the question very well and follow the functions. ඉස්සලා මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ කියවන්න ඕන මොනවද කරන්න තියෙන ඔයාට? එතකොට answer කරන්න තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? What's the asking method? Is it a blank filling one and using the number and using the letter එක බලන්න හොඳට. ඊට පස්සේ බලන්න keywords. Really we have to find the keywords there. Keyword එක හොයාගන්න. I told you to how to find the keywords. ඔයාලට keyword එක කොහොමද හොයාගන්න මම ඔයාලට කියලා දුන්නා. And sometimes you may find it means word order එකකින් වගේ අර blanks fill කරන්න වගේ word order එකකින් තිබ්බොත් අර කරන්න පුළුවන්. So that's the way of doing this fourth question. මේ හතරවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ vocabulary test එකක් විදිහට කරන විදිහ තමයි මම සරලවම කියලා දුන්නේ. Okay. Then I'll go and stop the today's class and we meet on the next class on the Wednesday. It's a paper class. Paper class එකකින් අපි හම්බෙන්නේ බදාදට. And when we meet again අපි කවද හම්බෙන්නේ එතකොට? අපි theory class එකකින් කවද හම්බෙන්නේ ළමයි? Tell me the date. We'll meet on what's the date? අපි හම්බෙන්නේ කවද්ද? Tomorrow කීයටද? හෙට කීයටද ළමයි වෙලාව? What's the time that we meet tomorrow? Tomorrow at 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. Don't forget that time and I hope you will participate tomorrow. Okay. Then I'm going to stop today's class and thank you very much for participating in the class. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye, Lama. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye. Participating in Hamoma. And I'll give you
Goodbye,
WhatsApp
sir.
number. Okay. If someone is new to class, make a WhatsApp message for me. Yeah. I'll add you to group. Okay, make a message for me with the WhatsApp number and I'll add you to the group. Okay, goodbye, Lamai. Stay safe. Goodbye, Amotama. Participating in Lamai.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, Sanjana. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.